Right vehicle? Check out the 2016 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.